Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Scatterslots game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if the Scatterslots game is not working as properly as it is supposed to, and you are experiencing some bugs, then this is probably because the game has not been updated to the latest version. While most devices will update the game automatically, if it doesn't happen in yours, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Scatterslots and start your search. Once you find the Scatterslots application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, you will need to tap on this button to install the latest updates for this app. Just tap on this button and wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button once again, you can tap on this to open up the game. And now you will notice that the game is running without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Scatterslots game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.